Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted a smarter way to track tasks or organize your thoughts, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to add a checkbox in Notion. Whether you're building a simple checklist or designing a full-blown task database, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create interactive checkboxes in Notion, giving you a clean way to boost your productivity and stay on top of what matters. Let's dive in. First, I want you to open up Notion, right into the page where you'd like to add your checkboxes. The most flexible way to do this is by using a database. So right here, type Our Database and select Table View from the options. This sets up a structured, powerful space for organizing things. If you've never used tables in Notion before, think of them like supercharged spreadsheets. You can assign different properties to each item and customize them as much as you need. Next, you'll want to give your table a name. Click on the title area and type something like checklists or whatever suits your project. Naming your table is important, especially if your workspace is crowded. It keeps things neat and helps you find it later. Now that your table is ready, start adding items. These could be tasks, ideas, groceries, anything you want to keep track of. Type each item as a new row in the table. Take your time with this part. Make sure your item names are clear so you know exactly what they refer to at a glance. Here's where the magic happens. Adding the checkbox property. On your table, look for the plus sign to add a new property and choose Checkbox. This instantly lets you tick off items right from your database view. It's not just satisfying to check things off. Having checkboxes in your table means you can quickly see what's done and what still needs your attention. If you want to get fancy, you can add even more properties like due date or tags and customize your table to fit bigger projects. If you're looking for something even quicker, Notion's to-do list shortcut is your best friend. On any page, just type to-do list and press enter. This drops a simple checklist right on the page. You don't have to set up a table. Just start typing and each line becomes a task with a checkbox. This is perfect for small lists, groceries, daily habits, or quick reminders. For example, I personally use this to jot down my morning routine, so I have a visual reminder as I go through each step. Now, a quick tip. Don't worry if you make a mistake or want to reorganize things later. Notion is super flexible. You can drag and drop items, rename your table or checklists, and tweak properties as your needs change. Sometimes you might need to fiddle with the settings or experiment with what works best for your workflow, and that's totally normal. The key is to find a setup that feels natural and helps you get things done, and that's all there is to it. Whether you're making a simple list or managing larger projects, adding checkboxes in Notion is a breeze. Try it out, play around with how you organize your items, and soon you'll have a tidy, interactive system right at your fingertips. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like. And if you've got questions or need help with a Notion feature, leave me a comment below. I love helping out. Subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.